Hey everyone, it's Dawn with Shimmering Canvases. So I got the layout printed for a couple of the diamond paintings, and I thought I'd make a quick video to show you guys the size and give you an idea of what the upgraded kits are going to include. Um, what the special drills are going to be. So, first of all, the painting is going to be 40 by 120. So it's a really big painting. Um, the prices on them are, if you get the regular kit, which is the regular drills, it's $59.99. If you do the upgraded kit, it's only $20 more. So it's $79.99. And basically the main picture, or the main portion of the picture, like the background's going to stay the same with the regular drills, and then the rest of it is going to have AB drills and crystal drills, and the paintings are square, by the way. So the silver part in the top of the balloon, that's going to be crystals. The bones in this one are going to be ABs. This right here is going to be crystal. The bones in like this part and this, that's going to be in ABs. The rest of the basket is going to be in crystals. There's going to be crystals in her hair, in her eyes. So the majority of it's going to be crystals and ABs. I'm going to leave the background the same because I think it'll make the main portion of the picture stand out more. And then this is just one of them. The other ones, I have a total of 5 that are coming, and these are all up for pre-order on my website. So this is going to be the other one, another one. On this one, all the gold is definitely going to be in crystal. I think the darker colors of this one is going to be in ABs. The gold, of course, crystals. I'm still on the fence about on this one whether I want to do the ABs or crystals on the balloon. Yeah, so I'm still deciding on that one. This one's not going to have very many ABs. This one, the majority of it's going to be crystals, just because it's Crystal Chariot. So I figure probably should have all crystals. And then there's the Circus Chariot, just that one. And so the purple is going to be in ABs. The gray is going to be in crystals. All the gray is in crystals. There's going to be crystals in her hair and her eyes. Portions of her dress are going to be ABs. And then there's the Butterfly Chariot. This one is going to be 50 by 70. My goal on this one is to make all the butterflies in, well, like the main colors in it. Like the orange and the purple, and those are going to be in crystal. But the black, I think I'm going to leave it the regular drills because I don't really like the black ABs. Sorry about that, my video timed out. So what I was saying is I don't like the black ABs because they give off a greenish tint and it throws off the whole picture. So I think just the plain black drills will look a lot better. So, and then the gold is going to be in crystal, and then that's, the red is going to be an AB. I think I said this one's going to be 50 by 70. These are 40 by 120. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a preview of what they're going to look like, how big they're going to be, what special drills are going to be in them. Oh, and these are square, if I didn't say that. Couldn't remember if I did. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me. So yeah, guys have a great day.